My channel. I am Professor Kodanramaya. I am a technocrat. In this channel, I produce videos on abroad education for latest technologies, scholarships from different universities and organizations, and job vacancies in different companies. In the present video, I would like to talk about top robotic companies to look forward to in 2021. Google releases 3D object detection dataset, complete guide to Objectron with implementation in Python. As technology becomes more intelligent, accurate and sophisticated, it can take up applications that are not just on a computer or a screen. With the progress made in artificial intelligence, it has been possible to make many physical machines or robots smart enough to adapt them with agile and tricky environments. Robots have now not only taken to shape of humans but are able to think and make decisions like them. This advancement has been a great significance, especially during the pandemic, as we look to automate their tasks to avoid human involvement. Many robotic companies made great strides this year in terms of innovation, raising money or bringing timely applications that have made them relevant in the near future. Analytics India magazine collates some of the top robotic companies to look forward to in 2021. Boston Dynamics. Recently sold by SoftBank to Hyundai, Boston Dynamics has become a leading face in moving or agile robots. Famous for its dog robo, Spot BD's robots have great agility to go in all the places to perform tasks in terrains inaccessible to humans and in unstructured environments with Hyundai's resources and markets now available to Boston Robotics. We might see its robots across more applications performing more sophisticated tasks. The company also plans to commercialize its robots for more use in the coming year or two. Diligent. Created as a healthcare assistant, Diligent's Moxie robo helps hospitals run 24/7 while assisting the healthcare staff. It can help gather patient supplies, deliver lab samples, fetch items, distribute PPEs, and deliver medication. Its relevance has gained great significance after the coronavirus as it can reduce human intervention. Moxie is supposed to be socially intelligent with human-like features that can make eye contact and provide a supporting arm. Recent studies have highlighted the significance of this for smooth human robo interaction, with automation in healthcare gaining such a rapid pace after the pandemic and the rising significance of social intelligence in robots. Diligent's applications become very relevant in the near future. AMP's robotics. AMP robotics applies computer vision to process millions of images to classify complex material for waste segregation. Neuron, the company's trademark platform, applies deep learning to improve its identification and classification of material like paper, plastic, and metal using color, size, shape, and other factors. Neuron is then used by a robo cortex to segregate materials with an accuracy of 99%. AMP Robotics was named in the 2021 Global Clean Tech 100 list by Clean Tech Group that recognizes innovative companies that are committed to delivering solutions to enhance the future. Blue Ocean Robotics. Blue Ocean Robotics produce service robots that primarily focus on applications in the healthcare, hospitality, construction, and agriculture sectors. The company was given 3 awards this year. These robots have very relevant applications in the post-COVID world as well. One of this is a UVD robo that is used for disinfecting hospitals and won the 2020 IDEA Award and the prestigious Emerging Technology Award from the American Society for Mechanical Engineers in the field of robotics. The company got an EU contract to deploy 200 of these European hospitals. The other Go-Bee Robo is a teleconferencing robo that along with the other robots was awarded the Robo Product Leadership Award 2020 by Frost and Sullivan. How Goodhart's law can save machine learning. Agility Robotics, another company making strides in agile humanoid robots in agility robotics. It recently launched its most flexible product, Digit, with an upper torso and 4 arms that can overcome limitations of the traditional robots. The robo has human-like capabilities that can make the Digit possible to work alongside us in offices, factories, or homes while navigating stairs, obstacles, and other unstructured terrains. It recently announced the raising of 2 million investment to deploy these robots in human spaces. Exin Technologies. Autonomous robots have become very important as people want intelligent machines to enter places that humans can't go. Exin has developed several such autonomous robots including a drone. Exin artificial intelligence that can enter mines or abandoned buildings without any human intervention or existing GPS. With the scope for so many applications, these autonomous intelligent machines present in terms of the variety of data collection and performing tricky operations in precarious situations. Exin thinks that the possibilities for their applications are endless. The company also recently raised an undisclosed amount according to the Crunchbase news. The next one is Neuro. Neuro artificial intelligence is a type of artificial intelligence professionals who are passionate about advanced robotics, who have won many international competitions and launched international products. Their trademark product, Neuro, is an autonomous vehicle that is used by delivery companies. The car got the permit to deploy these vehicles last week from the California Department of Motor Vehicles in 2 countries. It is the first company to receive such a permit. Last month, it also received a new $500 million Series C funding and it gets ready to deploy its vehicle on the streets in the new year. Universal Robots. Universal Robots emerged in 2020 as a top human robo collaboration HRC. Company has several applications worldwide. The industry was using articulated and Cartesian robots, but a case for safety purposes. Universal Robots brought a concept for robots to work together with human beings for industrial tasks. Their integrator partnership approach was several integrators and partners for many applications in diversified industrial fields. They are pioneers and leaders for transforming industrial robots to work with humans. As of now, they have started to sell these robots in large quantities as they have become more affordable and popular. I hope this video is very informative. Those who study robotics, please like and share my channel.